Hello, my name is Emil and I am a product engineer at Sika. You ever finish a gorgeous stone floor? Come back later and see this. You sealed it, but now it looks like the stone has got a hangover. This one here, stained from the inside out. Why? Regular sealants use plasticizers that creep into the natural stone like into a sponge. Once they're in, you can't get them out. And this one, same stone, still spotless, sealed with SikaSeal 195. We at Sika understand this challenge and have developed non-staining sealants for you. Most sealants are made for one job. This one handles 6. Pools, façades, spas, kitchens, even yachts. If the conditions are tough, this one is built for it. Pools are challenging. Chlorine usually eats sealants alive, but our solution handles it fine. We tested ours in 20 ppm chlorine water for 3 months. Still no damage, still intact. Outside, the sun is just as harsh. UV breaks most sealants apart. It makes them crack, fade, or choke. After thousands of hours of testing, this one, still solid, still in shape. Spas, hammams, and even common bathroom could create the perfect setup for mold growth. Nobody wants mold to spread in the steam room, but this sealant is built to keep the mold away. Is food safe, clean room safe, even marine approved. We run all these tests so you don't have to worry later. If you're sealing natural stone, don't gamble with stains. Do yourself a favor and use one that won't backfire as it's proven to last, like SikaSeal 195.